Dongguan Shengxi employ more than 100 experienced technical workers and covers an area of over 1,500 square meter with plenty of high-end machines. Thus, our monthly capacity is up to 150,000 pieces, providing one-stop customized services such as pattern design, logo craft, fabric development, color lab dip, label, sizing, and packaging. Furthermore, our commitment to sustainability is evident in our production practices. We prioritize eco-friendly materials and processes, contributing to a greener and more responsible manufacturing approach. In addition, we ensure that each employee receives the rightful compensation they deserve. As a mature sportswear manufacturer, quality control is our DNA. Hence, full-scale quality control system has been taken into the wholesale production process to ensure that every product meets the quality standard. Rely on our exquisite workmanship, quality products, and comprehensive service. Our products are sold to over 50 countries across the world, all of which are well received by our clients. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation relationship and create a bright future with us together. We will become your best